In this episode, we're going to continue on with the AI-powered error logs. And in this episode, we're going to plug in that missing piece where it calls out to a LLM to determine the likely cause, suggested fix, the severity, and also the category. And again, from the previous episode, if you're not wanting to use AI insights for this, you don't have to. The previous episode was complete enough where that should be fine. However, what makes the AI insights more powerful than the previous episode is that it's going to give us a sense of priority in what should be fixed first. And so that's what we're going to look at building in this episode. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftingruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.